Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this error when Cities Skylines 2 is not responding and crashing before even launching. So first method would be to go on search, write down Cities Skylines 2 and then right click on it, go to app settings. Then you want to terminate, repair and reset the application. If that will not fix the problem, you want to go ahead and click on three dots here on manage and on files. You want to verify and repair the game files. You can do the same on Steam too. So on Steam, it would look something like you go on game, on properties, installed files, and verify the integrity of the game files. Now, if that still didn't fix the problem, you want to go on search, write down services. On services, you want to click anywhere, and then on your keyboard, you want to click X. And then you want to find Xbox Live Auth Manager, double click on it, make sure that startup type is automatic and that the service is running. The same for Xbox Live Game Save, start, and then click OK, and then live networking service again should be automatic and running. Now, after these, the problem should be fixed. If not, you also want to go ahead and open up Task Manager. And on Task Manager, you want to find your game, so would be Cities Skylines. If you don't see it there, you also want to go ahead and end the task for Xbox app if you use it. If you use Steam, then you want to end the task for Steam application launcher. Now, if you're using Steam, you can go ahead and try it out by running it as administrator and see if the problem was fixed or not. And if the problem is not fixed, you want to go ahead and browse the local files. So it's here on Xbox and on Steam. I'm sure you will find it also. Then you want to find Cities Skylines content. And here you will see cities2.exe file. You want to right click on it, go to properties. Then you want to go to a compatibility tab and you want to run this program as administrator and disable full screen optimizations. And also run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. And then click apply and OK. After that, you want to go ahead and restart your PC. Now, if you are on Steam, I'm going to show you one way how you can fix this. So you're going to open up the settings. On general settings, on launch options, you're going to write down no workshop and disable mods, just like so. And this will also, basically, it will disable mods and the Cities Skylines should work. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you next time. Bye.